Hi, my name is Edison Bastidas. I study system engineer at UNAD, and today I am a fortune teller. So now I'm going to tell you 10 things that will happen in 20 years. Let's start. Number one, people will travel to Mars for vacation. Number two, cars are going to fly in the big cities. Number three, there will be robots in every house. Number four, most people will work from home with virtual reality. Number six, schools are going to use holograms to teach. Number six, doctors will use artificial intelligence to make surgeries. Number seven, people are going to speak more than three languages thanks to technology. Number eight, the air will have more electric cars than gasoline cars. Number nine, we are going to eat more vegetables and less meat. And finally, I will become a great programmer and travel the world. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.